Heart-healthy foods to help unclog arteries naturally. Your arteries are the biggest blood channels in your body, and they are responsible for providing oxygen and nutrients to every organ, tissue, and cell. To suggest that keeping these essential channels in good working order is important for your health is an understatement. Atherosclerosis occurs when fatty deposits accumulate along artery walls. You may have heard the condition referred to as clogged arteries or a hardening of the arteries. This causes the arteries to narrow and restricts blood flow to the heart and other parts of the body. This article lists 5 foods that may help prevent clogged arteries. Before we proceed, please subscribe to Green Life Hub and enable the notification bell to help us grow. 5. Green tea. You can drink your way to clean, healthy arteries. According to one meta-analysis, each daily cup of green tea correlated to a 5% decreased risk of mortality from cardiovascular disease. In another study, green tea drinking was linked to a reduction in vascular cell adhesion molecules, which are proteins generated in response to inflammation that cause cells to attach to their environment and each other, suggesting they can play a role in blocked arteries. Green tea's polyphenol components, known as catechins, have potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. 4. Beets. Red, golden, and rainbow beets may be controversial in the flavor department with a notable earthiness, but there's no question they're good for supporting healthy blood flow. Beets and beetroot juice are some of the best sources of beneficial dietary nitrates, which are converted to nitric oxide in the bloodstream. Nitric oxide relaxes and widens blood vessels, which lowers blood pressure and helps prevent damage to artery walls that could make them more vulnerable to narrowing and plaque buildup. To mellow beets' earthy flavor, try roasting them with olive oil or toss them into a smoothie. 3. Berries. Blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries pack a big punch when it comes to arterial health. These deeply hued fruits are chock full of polyphenol compounds such as quercetin and anthocyanins, which exert powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Thanks to these compounds, and a nice dose of fiber, berry consumption has been linked to improvements in LDL cholesterol, blood pressure, and even blood sugar control, all of which help keep arteries clear and healthy. 2. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are also a good source of anti-inflammatory plant-based omega-3s, alpha-linolenic acid, along with fiber, and antioxidant plant compounds called lignans. Regular flaxseed intake has been associated with decreased blood sugar and insulin levels, and improved insulin sensitivity, among overweight and obese individuals with prediabetes. And preliminary research on animals suggests that regular flax consumption can help halt the progression of atherosclerotic plaques. 1. Walnuts. Nuts are a good source of protein, fiber, and healthy fats, and regular nut consumption has been associated with a reduced risk of overall cardiovascular disease and coronary heart disease, which occurs when plaque buildup restricts blood flow to the heart. Of all nuts, walnuts contain the highest levels of heart-healthy, plant-based omega-3s. In an impressive animal study, consuming walnuts as part of a high-fat diet resulted in a 55% reduction in atherosclerotic plaque development compared to control diets. What's more, a healthy diet rich in nutrient-dense foods may help reduce your risk of developing clogged arteries. Research has shown that adding foods like cruciferous vegetables, fish, berries, olive oil, oats, onions, greens, and beans to your diet may be an effective way to prevent atherosclerosis. All of the foods listed above offer many other benefits as well. Adding them to your daily routine may significantly decrease your risk of disease and boost your overall health.